Good day everyone, Bangkit facilitators, mentors, and cohorts. Our team from B21-CAP0221 would like to present our capstone project called VizNewz. Without further ado, meet our teams from machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development. What we're trying to do is assist the government take action to mitigate problems based on real public demands. Last May 2021, there was a concert held at Tibis Park, South Jakarta, however, without permission. Now this, of course, sparked negative reactions from the public. One user said, an event is supposed to help the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Helping those enterprises is a noble thing. To which another user replied, this concert adds COVID spread too. It's normal for the governor and deputy governor for being like this. What did they do apart from evading and missing out? There is no control system and responsibility to their work. And when the corona mutation got into our country, one user said, congratulations to the government for allowing corona mutation to arrive in Indonesia. With that being said, our concern is based on the government's inefficiency of how they deal with problems that should have been done according to its level of urgency. Next.
To increase the government's efficiency on dealing with making an effective decision, there is a term called evidence-based policymaking, which refers to establishing policies grounded on objective and scientific research and ensuring they are designed and implemented based on concrete data. Research has found that through evidence-based policymaking, governments can gain trust in a changing environment, justify policy decisions, make policy decisions more quickly, resolve conflicts in the process of formulating and implementing policies, and improve the quality of policies. The key factors to evidence-based policymaking are securing the objectivity of the materials or data used and conducting scientific analysis. Therefore, to reach the stage where evidence-based policymaking can be established, it is first necessary to collect high-quality data that enable the suitable analysis of the issue in question, select scientific methods to analyze this accumulated data, and apply the analytical results to the process of designing policies.
Previously, there is CRM application with an innovation in solving all non-emergency problems in DKI Jakarta, but this application has several limitations. 1. Quality of data. Usually, CRM gets signed. 2. Need authorization equal for news. 3. No summarization, no visualization of data provided. So, what drove us to create VizNewz? 1. Assist the government take action to mitigate problems based on public demand. 2. In Indonesia, our government deal with according problems that shall be done according to its level of urgency. 3. Government choices are not based on what the public needs. 4. Have urgent problems solved and faster with control demand from public. Ilham, our mission is to help the government or company make data-driven decisions based on actual and factual news.
We have 3 tech features. First, news categorization, to help users easily navigate between categories. Second, sentiment analysis, to identify the public reaction regarding certain news. And third, visualization, to get a better understanding of the provided data. Next. From those, we have derived 3 models. First, Jakarta news detection, to differ which one is Jakarta news and non-Jakarta news. And second, topic modeling, by dividing the data to 9 topics. In example, health and transportation. Third, we have sentiment analysis, to do analysis for positive sentiment and negative sentiment. Next. Here's our data set. We have built by scraping news data from Indonesian news portal such as kompas.com and detik.com.
The next is machine learning pipeline. First, we do data cleaning to increase our quality of data. And in the data cleaning, we do normalization, stop removal, delete punctuation, lowercase, and delete white space. Next step is feature extraction using bag of word. So each feature is a word that contained in the document, and the value is how many the word that occur in the document. The last step is modeling. We're modeling using neural network with 3 dense layer and 1 dropout layer to handle overfitting problem. And this is the model performance. We can see that break of word plus neural network have a higher accuracy than work to vector plus LSTM. And the other thing that make me use break of word plus neural network as a final model is because faster training and inference and less consuming memory.
Here is the overall architectural design of our application. As you can see, we have a mobile application that is connected to the News API as a backend API, and it runs on Google Cloud App Engine connected to Cloud SQL instance named Brita in this image. The News API itself only performs read operation. The one which performs the write operation is scraper service. The scraper service is basically a service that will scrap all the news from sources such as Kompas.com and Detik.com, and after that, this service will load all 3 models from Google Cloud Storage, and after that, the news will be predicted based on those 3 models. After the prediction has done, the news which with their prediction will be stored to Cloud SQL instance. This service will run every day at around 12 p.m. at night, triggered by Cloud Scheduler.
Now, the Android team started off by designing the mockup in Figma. Once the designs are collected, we decided to make the UI UX as simple as possible, as long as the main functionality of our app is fulfilled. That is to represent the news sentiment analysis, be it positive, negative, or neutral.
After the mockup is approved, it was time to create the mockup dummy and have it reviewed by the team member. After that, we're getting request the API from backend. The link is provided in our project brief. Once we have received the API, the next process is integrating the API into the Android, mainly using Kotlin. Finally, when the app is done, code refactoring is needed to improve design, structure, and implementation of the application while preserving its functionality. Next. This is the finished result. By clicking one of those categories, we will see a dashboard showing the bar chart and pie chart. Green shows the positive sentiment, while the red indicates negative. With this visualization, we are minimizing expect time to analyze. At the bottom of this screen, we will see the most show text associated with the category. Next.
Here's the demo of our apps. As you can see here, we have 9 topics. And if we click on transportation, you will see that there are the sentiment positive and negative described by pie chart, and this is for 7 days. There are bar chart for 7 days, and this is 30 days. As you can see here, the data till 30 days. And if you go down, you can see this description of the sentiment. And if we go back to the 1 day and go down to the daftar berita, we can see the list of the news. We can choose any news to simulate the news. Okay. When we click on the read the entire news, we will direct to the link to our phone.
The documentation of this project can be opened in the link below. As for our project milestone, we're planning to expand on news portals and also adding more visualization from July to August, and then increase labeled data, refine the ML models from September to October, and lastly, build web application and add sales and marketing, and also legal and regulatory from November to December. Thank you.